So, kid, what's your name anyway?
My name is
Nano, N-A-N-O.
Burn that shit. Danos barca el gallón, el atún que quemo yo, fumando y dando vuelo. Ya doy vuelo en first class, mente viaja bien relax.
You have the size.
Yes, I do.
On that, yeah, not on this one.
Nah, for sure do, but you just gotta find it.
Oh. Nah, that's this one.
Here we go. I don't know where. I don't have like a little bucket to keep all these. Don't put it. Oh, here, boys. We out here finna replace this.
That's not really. That's this one. Hey, with what?
Oh, what the heck? It's right here in my hand. Let me get that off.
Oh, shit.
I forget. I need to go get a big ass long screwdriver. I'm gonna get a big ass long screwdriver because. Oh, there's one in here too. Let me get that one out. I don't think we're gonna be able to reach it. We're
You
gonna
don't have the one from here? Your sister just come right off there.
Nah, because it's stuck to all these clips. There's a lot of clips, so we need to get it all done. And there's a screw. We need to get that one right there.
Nah, that's your bumper though.
No. I already watched the video on how to remove this. It's this over here. No, we just need to get rid of that screw. And then there's like some clips we need to undo. We also need to take out these bottom
Oh, yeah,
headlights.
there's clips right here on the side. I took mine out the other day.
Yeah, we good. Maybe we'll get more tools.
No, you did right.
Oh, what?
You crashed your truck once, right?
Nope.
Was it in the front?
Pop these out.
Bro, I'm basically finna do your whole truck by myself. Boy. I'm finna take these bitches home. I can replace the two on this side. I already got
Bro,
these.
the gaskets on these things are bad.
So we're finna break these right here, bro. You're finna post these up for sale.
Nah, I'm posting them up for sale.
I don't think. Well, you're gonna have to like. You can pop this bitch open and like clean it a little bit.
These hoes are horrible. Look at this shit. Bad. Oh, get rid of the. Take the side marker one out too. So that is banged up against it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I think one of these are out. Should have went and bought it.
Yeah, it's this side. I think it's this side.
We got a lot, dude.
We don't have like tape, so we can just tape them together for now. Like
Nah.
whenever we pull it out, we don't yank some shit.
No, that's good. Just tuck it up how I did it. Look. It's out the way like that.
Oh, just put it.
Did you didn't get that one, huh? This one.
Nah, I couldn't find the extension. And we need like a really long extension.
And I got all types of fucking extensions in here.
Hold on. Actually, we're good, I think. We're good. What size is that?
Little. It was, let me see actually. 7mm.
7?
Yeah.
Do you have a 7 in that box? Sure, hold on. What is this?
Do I not have an extension in this thing?
One of those, bro.
Oh, I forget, brother. The little extension thing's in the bottom right here.
I got a bug on me and shit.
Where'd this thing come from, fam?
What? I pulled that out from one of these holes. I think it was right there.
Oh yeah, because this one.
I don't know where
wasn't
that
in
goes. So I'll just put that shit right there.
here. And this one? This one was in here? And it didn't reach it?
No.
Oh, because this is not an extension for that, huh? It has another little extension thing down there.
It won't spill?
Yeah, it will.
That would work.
This one will. And then we put.
So then we don't need this shit.
No, it wouldn't work. Unless this one fits.
It fits. It should fit. It should be the same one we used.
They don't fit, huh?
Nah, you need a little bigger one. Oh shit.
A little bigger one. I don't know if can you even.
You can use those right there, cause I was using one of those, I think. Or which one did you use from right here? If not, it's gonna be this one. Have you tried this one?
I can't even pop that in here though. That's a bad thing. Yeah. Oh my god, that little Amazon tool is so clutch. Bro, I need to get y'all one of these Populo tools, man. I got it off of Amazon. Comes with hella attachments. This bitch putting in work right now.
Let me see that little thing again. What's this? Oh shit, I took it off. I need this one too.
Once that undone, we need to undo these.
Ah!
What?
You don't have a magnet? Never mind, I got it.
I actually do have a magnet somewhere in here. Actually, I don't.
I'm putting all the little screws in there. This one is in here.
Okay. Now we just need to.
Oh, look.
Bruh, all my clips broken? They are. What? I bought a whole new piece. Dude, I don't know. I bought a whole new piece of that right there, too. And this is not looking like.
Bro, that was easier than what I thought.
Yeah.
Because mine has clips all over it.
See, I have a new piece of this.
Yeah. I have one, a new too, it's black.
Yeah, I have a new one of these.
I don't, my shit has clips right, just this one.
Wait, is this thing easily replaceable? Check.
Just take this one off, and that's it.
It's missing this screws on here.
Yeah, it's missing this, you just take this
Damn.
off. And the one over there. But you should be good, bro. What's your other grill? Let's try and see if it fits on you.
It does.
You sure?
Oh, for a fact it does.
Alright.
But I'm gonna no, we need to. Needs to be the first thing we replace right here.
Do you have that?
Yeah, I do. So go ahead and start doing this, and I'm gonna go get that
Where's
bitch
the
out the
little-
shop.
Where's the little thing?
Right there, I'm gonna get it out the shop.
Where is that shit?
Dude, the only thing is I don't want to put it back in there with the missing screws. So
Hold up. Oh shit, there's another screw over here. I didn't even see this.
I don't remember how.
It's easy.
That boy Alexis color matched this shit.
For real? He painted it?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
That's the only bad thing about this clip.
No.
Where he's getting a haircut and then the niggas lining him up. He's like, make my shit straight, bitch ass nigga. You have not seen that clip?
No.
Wait, so where's the ones in there? This one here. Alright, let's put that hoe back on, bro.
Hold on. I don't see shit in there.
Now, should we spray paint it gold real quick?
Oh, nigga, what? Bro, you're supposed to be doing that shit in front of the camera.
I know, for real, bro. My bad.
Oh, here they come. They're finna fix our shit right now.
Who?
The light people are here.
For real?
Yeah. 2 trucks, bro.
But that said they came here earlier and got stuck.
Yeah, it's 3 trucks.
Yeah.
You want me to put this bitch in?
Well, I was gonna do one side, you do one side.
Oh no, let me just fix it right quick. Because we gotta put the wire up. We can't fuck up the light bulbs.
Bro, I swear this thing has held a charge for months now. Yes.
This doesn't go.
I feel like we need to get the corners, the middle, and leave one of these open.
Fucking asshole. I feel like we got it in, but I feel like we did this bitch wrong.
What?
Check these bitches out of line.
Extension for this really.
Dedicamos este corrido para el señor Joaquín López Añorbe y todos los amigos de Tlacuachislahuaca, Guerrero. Con el permiso de Dios, señores, les cantaré. Ya mataron a Chopiza por culpa de su mujer, pues ella tuvo la culpa por tener otro querer.
Well, fuck me, boys. I need to call one of my homies, bro. I swear my homie got a fucking degree for electrical and this nigga never be helping me with shit. You, David. And we can't figure out how the fuck to connect these LEDs because you got to do fucking splicing and all this bullshit, man. I should have bought some straight up plug and play ones, but well, I didn't even buy these at all. Shit. But we're just gonna put them on, put the new grill on, and then focus on the LEDs another day, which actually sucks because that's the whole purpose of these fucking headlights, for this little shit to be glowing.
Pues ella tuvo la culpa por tener otro querer. Un lunes 8 de agosto, Cheu se fue a su trabajo. Ahí en el paso del Toro ya lo estaban esperando. Era un indio sacualpeño, vaquero de Victoriano. Era un indio sacualpeño.
Close that motherfucker, bro. Oh my God, guys, we couldn't get the side markers to get on there because they do not fit. But holy shit, this looks like a whole different truck from the front now. Oh my God, but this is 90s, bruh. Does
it work?
Yeah, they work. Not the LED part though.
Are you in here?
Yeah. Bruh, my bitch look different.
Is it working now?
What?
The LED.
No, they're not connected. We never.
Light bulbs?
The light bulbs are working, yeah.
That's what I'm asking you.
Oh yeah. But oh my God, I need to have a cow hood on this bitch now. They're on now. Yeah, bro. Oh my God.
Different, bro.
It looks different. It looks different as fuck. I like it. I like it. It's gonna look so much better once I put the sideboards on.
Actually looks more dropped.
Bro, that bitch look like I got a Cadillac in for conversion or some shit. I do. Bro, Shout out Boo Boo right here for helping me. But we pretty much done for today. Show you what we didn't get done. We never got to plugging up the actual LEDs right here, so the little halo thing isn't on. These little side markers are for a Silverado grill, and this is a GMC grill, so it's different. So these side markers didn't fit, so we left those like that. And now it is looking a little too chromish in the front, so to throw it off, I'm gonna be buying orange side markers. And I'm also thinking about replacing this chrome strip right here with what Boo Boo? What color? Red chrome? I'm thinking of replacing this strip right here, so it'll throw it off. It'll be less chrome.
Black and red.
But I'm thinking black or red. I'm thinking like a red chrome. You get me? A red chrome.
Like the wipers?
Yeah, like the wipers, just like the wipers right there. That would actually really match. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'd have to unscrew this little thing. It shouldn't be too much. Damn, bro, she just need a wash now. She'd be looking real fucking pretty. That's another banger out the way, bro. Shout out my boy Boo Boo for helping me install the new grill and headlights to the OBS. Like I said, man, this video is a little old, from like 2023. I forgot to put the date on it. I gotta remind myself to do that when I'm editing. But I just finished up editing the video for today. I really appreciate everybody who stuck around to the end. You already know what to do, man. Drop a like, drop a comment. Shout out to all 60,000 of you subscribers. Man, we really on the road to 100K, bro. This shit is just mind-blowing, bro. Real OGs know that the OG YouTube channel, Nano, got deleted at 24,000 subscribers. And we done surpassed that. We done tripled it. Got tons of more videos in the vault for you guys coming real soon. I've been trying to be really consistent with the videos, so I hope you guys appreciate that. That's all your boy got for today, man. Go follow me on Instagram, Static Nano. Your boy ain't really been active on social medias like that lately. I really just been focusing on eBay, my YouTube, and my Instagram is shadow banned, so I really got no purpose of being active on there, bro. It sucked. If you stuck with me all the way to the end, I need you to comment rotten potato. It's been your boy Nano. Wow.
Like your cut, G.